Yeah, Monday.
And rain.
Mondays were made for rain. Alrighty. No stick.
No?
No stick.
What's that mean?
To hold the hood up.
Oh, there should be. Maybe it'll stay.
No, no hydraulics on it.
I'll go.
Okay. See if I can get it to
That's
go
weird.
here. Yeah, it is pretty weird. See if my jump box will get you.
All right.
I got the hood there.
All these newfangled cars. I got the book out and looked at what it was saying,
Yeah,
and it said some kind of malfunction.
yeah. My jump box doesn't seem to be doing anything. Yeah, if you can hold that for me. Yeah, it's not doing anything. It's not getting any type of juice. Alrighty. I get the cables. My jumper cables. I just set it
Let me
down.
see what this is. Let me look around.
Yeah.
I'll shut
If
it
you
if I can't find
if you shut it, just don't shut it all the way. Put my truck in a tight situation, as always. All right.
Never had to have it open for anything yet. So I'm like,
Yeah.
bizarre.
Okay. It's kind of weird that that terminal's red. They painted it red. I don't understand why. Okay, so you're getting 11.7, so it's not dead, it's just dead.
Auto place, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
And I'd be able to test your battery for you too, but
Okay, good.
it's always good for you to take it in. See what you're reading now. 13, okay, go ahead and give it a shot.
Oh.
Success! Okay, I'm gonna test your battery real fast.
Oh. Okay, good.
Okay. 14.66. Seems to be pretty good. When's the last time you drove it?
I drive it every day.
Every day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So one person told me.
I got it. I got it.
One person told me that sometimes the battery in the fob is dying
Yeah.
because it kept saying there was no key
Fl-
indicated.
Okay.
So it might even be that. You know, these newfangled.
Yeah,
things,
yeah.
I can't figure that out.
Yeah. I can't either. But yeah, you definitely want to take it to the dealership. It seems like the battery's good.
Okay.
But it could be the fob, like you said.
Something.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Would
ma'am.
it drain the battery, or it just?
No, it shouldn't drain your battery. I mean, it should just give you that annoying.
Start.
Correct. You have a remote start on it?
Well, it won't work.
Yeah, I would.
But, so you have to push it to start it.
Yeah.
You don't use the key. You know
Right.
what I mean?
Right.
And so it kept saying no key indicated. I'm like,
Yeah.
And here's the key. I'll show it to you. It's up.
Yeah, I've seen them before.
Trying to
You're
figure
gonna
it
pull it out. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
all right, I'll take it in.
Yeah, I would take it in, have them take a look at it, you know.
Okay.
But
All
yes,
right.
ma'am. Thank
All
you
right,
so
thank
much.
you.
Yes, ma'am. Glad I could be of service to you. Yeah, you and me both. Found success in that one. All right, off to my next thrill.